Hey there, welcome to our channel. I'm your host Professor Portfolio, and today, we're diving into an exciting and mysterious world, the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new here or just curious about it all, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the basics of cryptocurrencies in simple terms, so grab some popcorn and let's dive straight in. What are cryptocurrencies? Alright, let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual forms of money. Just like the coins and bills you're familiar with, except they only exist in the digital realm. They're protected by advanced computer code called cryptography, which makes them secure and hard to fake. How do cryptocurrencies work? Imagine a digital ledger, like a super secure digital notebook. This ledger, called a blockchain, keeps track of all transactions made with a specific cryptocurrency. What's cool is that this blockchain isn't owned by a single person or organization, it's spread across many computers, making it safe and transparent. Fun fact: cryptocurrencies have gone beyond our planet. In 2021, a blockchain node was sent to the International Space Station as part of the Space Chain project. This node helps secure and verify transactions in space, showcasing the borderless nature of cryptos. Bitcoin, the pioneer. Alright, let's talk about the OG, Bitcoin. It's the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Think of it as digital gold. There's a limited amount of Bitcoin, 21 million to be exact, which makes it kind of rare, just like gold. People can buy, sell, or even use Bitcoin to make purchases online, kind of like using digital cash. Buying and owning cryptocurrencies. Now, you might be wondering how you can get your hands on some of these digital coins. Well, you can buy cryptocurrencies on special websites called exchanges. Once you've bought them, you'll need a digital wallet to store them safely. It's like your digital piggy bank. Different types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin might be the superstar, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there. These are called altcoins. Each has its own unique features and purposes. Some are focused on fast transactions, some on privacy, and some even power special applications. Risks and rewards. Before you dive in, let's talk about the risks and rewards. Cryptocurrencies can be super exciting, but they're also pretty volatile. That means their prices can change a lot in a short time. It's like a roller coaster ride, thrilling but also a bit scary. So, if you're thinking of investing, be sure to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Fun fact: in 2010, someone famously paid 10,000 bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Today, those same bitcoins would be worth a fortune, making it one of the most expensive pizza orders in history. Real-world uses. Okay, here's the cool part. Cryptocurrencies have real-world uses. Some companies accept them as payment, and there are even machines where you can convert them to cash. Plus, they're powering new ways of doing things, like decentralized finance and digital art ownership through NFTs. Keeping your investments safe. Security is a big deal in the world of cryptocurrencies. Since they are digital, they can be vulnerable to hackers. So, make sure you use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. It's like protecting your online treasure. The future of cryptocurrencies. So where are cryptocurrencies headed? It's like predicting the future, but some experts believe they could become more mainstream, with more companies and people using them. There's also talk of governments exploring their own digital currencies. Exploring beyond trading. Beyond just buying and selling, cryptocurrencies have opened doors to exciting new possibilities. Smart contracts, for instance, are self-executing contracts with the terms of agreement directly written into code. They can be used for things like automatically distributing payments or verifying ownership. Embracing cryptocurrency culture. Let's talk about the community. The cryptocurrency space is like a digital universe filled with enthusiasts, developers, and innovators. You can join forums, social media groups, and even attend conferences to learn more and connect with fellow explorers. Is it too late to invest in cryptocurrencies? The question of whether it's too late to invest in cryptocurrency is one that's been pondered by many, especially as the world of digital assets continues to captivate the attention of investors and enthusiasts alike. The short answer is, it's never too late, but there are important considerations to take into account. Cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin leading the charge, burst onto the scene over a decade ago. The early adopters who recognized their potential reaped substantial rewards as their investments grew exponentially. The famous story of someone spending 10,000 bitcoins on 2 pizzas now serves as a testament to how far the landscape has evolved. While some might feel that they've missed the initial boom, it's essential to remember that the world of cryptocurrencies is still in its relative infancy. Experts and industry leaders often compare it to the early days of the internet, a technology that took time to develop, gain mainstream acceptance, and reveal its transformative power. The market's volatility is both a blessing and a challenge. It's not uncommon for cryptocurrencies to experience rapid price fluctuations over short periods. While this volatility can present opportunities for profit, it also underscores the importance of caution and careful decision-making. The question isn't so much about whether it's too late to invest, but rather how to invest wisely in a market that can be as unpredictable as it is promising. Many investors believe that cryptocurrencies have not yet reached their full potential. The concept of decentralized finance and the integration of blockchain technology into various industries suggests that there are still unexplored avenues for growth and innovation. Some see Bitcoin as digital gold, a store of value that can serve as a hedge against traditional economic uncertainties. With only a limited supply of 21 million coins, scarcity could drive its value up over time, regardless of how late one might think they are to the game. However, investing in cryptocurrencies requires a balanced approach. It's crucial to educate yourself about the technologies, projects, and trends in the space. Understanding the risks, such as regulatory developments, security concerns, and the potential for loss, is just as important as recognizing the potential gains. Diversification is a wise strategy, meaning not putting all your eggs in one digital basket. Combining cryptocurrencies with traditional investments can provide stability and a broader perspective on risk. The learning curve associated with cryptocurrencies shouldn't be underestimated. From setting up wallets to choosing reliable exchanges and practicing proper security measures, there's a lot to navigate. Fortunately, resources, communities, and educational materials are available to help newcomers get up to speed. In conclusion, the cryptocurrency market is still evolving, and opportunities exist for those who approach it with due diligence and an understanding of the associated risks. It's not a question of whether it's too late to invest, but rather a matter of entering the space with an informed perspective, a long-term outlook, and a willingness to learn. Just as the internet reshaped the way we communicate and access information, cryptocurrencies have the potential to reshape the financial landscape, and it's a journey that's far from over. Alright explorers, that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to cryptocurrencies. We've covered the basics, from what they are to how they work and whether or not it's too late to invest in crypto. If you're interested in learning more, keep researching, stay curious, and remember, the crypto world is always changing. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly content. Make sure to stay connected with us here at Wise Wealth TV as we will start to dive into more in-depth content about previous content and subjects. So please press that bell button to be notified when we upload. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep embracing the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. See you in the next video.